Hey guys, my name is Megan. I go by Confidence in a Compact here on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then I don't know what you're doing. And hey guys, my name is Megan. I go by Confidence in a Compact here on Instagram, and I don't know where to look at my iPhone when I'm doing it this way. I'm gonna do my makeup backwards. So I'm gonna start with my blush, and I'm gonna end with my foundation, and you guys are gonna see this revolutionary and innovative new way to do your makeup. And I can't wait to be the one to teach you. So if you are interested in this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. There's probably gonna be kids in the background, but this is just real mom life stuff, and you can still get glam with kids and with the family being a stay-at-home mom. So click the bell button on the side of the subscribe button, and it's gonna notify you every time I upload something new. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. It's at Confidence in a Compact. I love inspiring other women to be amazing. Thanks so much. Keep watching if you want to see this look. Okay, so I'm gonna do my face backwards for you guys, and you guys are gonna watch and learn how amazing this concept is. So I'm gonna start by doing my blush. So I'm going to just put it on with my fingers onto the apples of my cheeks. So, by the way, my revamp of my YouTube channel is definitely going to consist of a lot of my sons in the background because I'm a mom and I feel compelled to just share with people that we're not always perfect, even when we portray it to be. We portray this perfect life, and we're not, you know, this is how I get my work done. So why hide it? I'm just gonna show you guys what really goes on. So I'm a working mom from home, working from home mom, doing this all for me and showing my boys that you can marry a woman that has dreams and goals of her own. So here I'm just applying my contour, and I am slimming out my nose just a little bit. And you notice how I look like a clown, right? So now I am going to apply my highlight, which is my foundation color, all over the rest of my face. So only one layer of makeup goes on my entire face, and everything is going to melt together to create a balanced, highlighted, and contoured look. Okay, so this is what I look like right now. So let me go ahead and just poke everything through. So what we're gonna do is stipple our product in. I'm gonna explain why I highlight and contour in just a second. Right now I'm gonna stipple everything in. I'm not going to mix any colors together, so I'm gonna start by blending my highlight, aka my foundation color, all into my skin. If I'm looking at all sorts of different angles on my camera, this is my first video doing this horizontally. It's especially for YouTube, but I will place it other areas as well, such as Instagram and Facebook. But I'm looking at the total, I have to look at like the bottom left corner of my screen, which is really unnatural for me. So in order to look at my face, I'm like looking at the weirdest part of my camera. So my son is currently playing with some screw that he got off of my ring light. If you guys want to know what kind of ring light I use, it is newer. Got it on Amazon. Nope. 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 So that's just, so now we're gonna blend out, okay, with that same brush. Now I'm gonna use the same brush. You could also use your other side, but I might just use that for my blush. Okay, so a contour is going to create, let's say, depth in your face. So it's going to hide things that you want to hide, make things appear smaller, such as your forehead. You can slim out your face by contouring the outer edge of your face, like the perimeter. You can hide a double chin, jowls, a longer chin. You can hide a bigger nose. You can do so much with contour. but we all have, we all have cheekbones. Some of us have more protruding cheekbones naturally, and some of us just have a fuller face. So you are able to create a cheekbone with contour. If you just have a full face and you want to look more sculpted, you can do that. So right now I'm just accentuating that natural shadow that already occurs. Do you see that divot here in my face? So that's natural. Not all of us have that. Some of us look a little bit puffier here. That's when you add a little bit stronger line and then you create more of a shadow. I am accentuating my shadow is what I'm doing on my face. So with that other side of my brush, I'm just going to, well, actually what I did there was I messed up. I actually added contour to that. So you guys will see. I'm gonna balance it out. I'm gonna add a little contour to that, what was left over on my brush. And then you're gonna see how I brighten up my face. No. Backwards. So normally we're used to doing our blush at the very end. In this case, I do it in the very beginning. So I'll admit, I don't normally do this. I use a product called Maskcara Beauty. And Kara Brooke is the founder of this amazing, like ingenious line of makeup with a whole different concept. And she does her makeup like this. So I said, well, a better way to do my makeup than after Kara herself. She created the cosmetics company that I am using products from. So I'm gonna do it just like her. So in real time, before editing and fast forwarding and all that stuff, this is at 5 minutes and 32 seconds. And the only difference is I used cream products. I applied them only to the areas of my face in one layer where I needed it. That's giving my face like a second skin. Okay, well, so we're here. This is where we're at, toddler meltdown, but it's a good thing my makeup only took me 5 minutes. You guys, I'm not kidding. Like, this is so quick. So I am a Maskcara Beauty artist. I can give you a color match, and I can do that from a photo of you standing in natural lighting, facing a window, standing about 3 feet back. The idea behind that is to get your natural underlying skin tone, and standing about 3 feet back from a window helps prevent sun from directly shining on your face, which can skew the image a little bit. So you can send that to me via email, confidenceinacompact@gmail.com. You can simply leave a comment here and we can connect. So thanks you guys so much for watching.